Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for another Mad About Mini Paper Pads hop, and this time I'm using the uniquely creative collection pack called Moody Blues in their 6x6 paper pad, and it's all gorgeous. Sorry, take the crinkling plastic away. Beautiful blues, gorgeous flowers, mandalas, just really pretty cardstock pack, and that is what I'm using. So I have my photos, 2 photos I'm doing, and I'm going to put them on this, just a whole sheet out of the paper pad, 6x6 paper pad. My heading, in the end we will only regret the chances we didn't take. And then I've got a range of embellishments over here. It's not going to be a very fussy page, but I've also cut 3 of the sheets of the paper. Oh, sorry, words are hard. My brain is cold. It's cold today. I've got a heap of strips. I just cut them randomly. I didn't measure them. I just cut 3 sheets into thin strips, and I'm going to do a lot of like tags down the side. So that is what I am doing. I've got a little bit of this purple, which I'm not sure I'm going to introduce, because I wanted to bring in the purple in the jacket, but this is not quite the same colour, and I don't know if I'm going to, I don't know, I could put that on there. I don't know if I'm going to put that in the end. I probably will, because it sort of blends, hey. So I've convinced myself I probably will. Anyway, these, really quickly, these photos are of my father when he volunteered for the Olympics when they were in Sydney in the year 2000. And I thought it was quite apt that I do these photos now because, you know, we're in an Olympic year and I haven't done these yet. So that was his volunteer's uniform. He was a driver for one of the teams, and I can't remember, it was a Caribbean team. So they were mostly athletes, I think, like track and field. So he got to drive them around, and he had a ball doing it. So it was quite unusual that he wanted to do that. That sort of wasn't him, but he just saw something about it and went, well, I know Sydney pretty well. And because they didn't drive them just around, you know, the Olympic Village, it was wherever they wanted to go, sightseeing or wherever. Yeah, so he had lots of fun doing that. So they're the photos I'm doing. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's my finished page. Nice and simple. Just the flag detail on the side. And I've used just all the 6x6 paper pad. And very minimal embellishments. So make sure you check out below in the description box. Everyone will be listed who's playing along. If you've liked this page, hit that thumbs up for me. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. If you have any questions about anything I've used, technique, anything like that, then make sure to comment below. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.